Muscle car corner here. Gotta show you this Pantera. It is an 85 model. It's one of the late ones that they kept on producing and was brought into the country. Platform are still the same. You know, the cars were refined a little bit and didn't have near the problems the early ones did. I got a 71. And these cars had issues with cooling. That was a biggie. I've had to do all the updates. Mine still runs hot. It's a 700 lift roller motor too. So it's going to run hot either way you look at it. But I did like these. The wings are pretty cool on them, you know. Detomaso kept on producing and not importing the cars to the United States. 74 was the last year of the imported models like I have. I've got an early design flat trunk car. And I love it. I've had it for 30 plus years. It'll be here next year. So I look forward to seeing that Muscle Car Corner 71 Pantera going at Mecum next year.